Hello, this is Larry Jones, and welcome to Stock Up. I started studying stocks actually in the year 2000, but I never really got in. I started buying the books and doing the research, investing for dummies and all of that. But I never had any skin in the game. But 2006, 2007, I actually got into the market and started investing, started doing paper trades. So I didn't have any money to lose. 2007, I really funded my account and I opened up a Fidelity account. I really funded it. But what happened was 2008 during the recession is actually when I started to invest really heavy. And I will tell you that I learned all the mistakes early. But a strange thing happened in a bear market. The recession was going on. I actually made more money in 2008. And so a lot of people can tell you how to make money while there's a bull market going on. But they can't tell you what to do in a bear market. So I learned in a bear market. And I will tell you right now, because of new technology, you are witnessing the greatest transfer of wealth ever in your lifetime, your parents' lifetime, and your grandparents' lifetime. So what I'm saying to you is now is the absolute best time to be in the market. And for those of you that have never invested before, I will teach you really easy, step-by-step intuitive on how to, and I will give you weekly good stock to pick, right? Then I have a family here. We're a family of thousands that also give good stock pick so everybody can eat. We don't look at this thing like it's a fish tank. We look at it like it's an ocean. So hang with your boy. I'm AKA Uncle Larry. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and a notification bell if you're new to the page. And I always end in this phrase: live, love, laugh, learn. Okay? And let's make a lot of money. Welcome to the page.